Alright, so today we're working on changing air filters at an apartment complex. We've got 7 buildings, 4 apartments in each, so that's about 28 air filters that need to be done. I've done 4 of the buildings already, and I've got 3 to go. Just taking a lunch break. Also got some dust in my eye that would not come out on its own, so I was working on getting that really annoying. And then we'll be done. I think I've kind of got the flow. My cordless drill died, so I'm using a corded one now, but it's pretty straightforward. These panels are kind of a pain to get the screws in and out. A lot of them are Phillips, and most of them are stripped or missing. A lot of the missing screws have been replaced with all kinds of random screws. So it's just kind of hit and miss, kind of hard to figure out where the screw goes when you put it back in. But yeah, kind of a pain, but should go pretty quick from here, over halfway there. Alright, well that's a wrap. We got 28 air filters done. 28 in the trash, old ones in the trash. And I'm just gonna submit it back to the office. Thanks for watching.